Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can make an artwork by only using inanimate objects. So these can be objects that you find around your home or that you find in nature. Let's get started. So similar to our found object color wheels, you'll be using found objects to create your artwork. So here I have a pile of buttons, I have some leaves and flowers that I found outside, a sharpener, some pencils, just completely, inanimate objects that I have around my house that I'm going to use to create my artwork. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'll use the objects that I have here on my table.